Alright, so welcome to Tea Garden Tutorials. This is how to draw crystals. So the first thing you need to do is you need to start with a base. So I'm just going to do a standard square base. Alright, and then I usually do a 3 crystal bottom. So I'm going to start with the sides. And I'm going to teach you how to do 2 different types of crystals, the main 2 that I use. This is the square crystal. So you just go like this, you make it a rectangle geometric shape, and then you add a pyramid at the top. And to give it more detail as like a crystal, you kind of leave spaces, and I like to add a line around the part of the angle, which angle is gonna have the most room for like the entire thing. So since there's more room over here for the bottom part, I did on this side instead of this side. And for this one, it doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna do it on that one. And for the triangles, you're gonna go like this. And sometimes I even add like one down here, or like streaks like that throughout the crystal. It really, you just gotta experiment. And the second one, which is this one that I'm drawing, is the six shape crystal. You, instead of drawing 2 lines, you gotta draw 3 sections with the 2 on the side having a diagonal line shooting from the straight one. Kind of do a long triangle and then connect from the top, or it doesn't really matter, just connect it at the tip. And for the side ones, do the reflective part on the outside part, and for the middle one, do a little bit of both. So you're gonna do it at that end and then at the bottom end, and I usually do that for the middle part. Then for this, you kind of just add like a line or 2, like a squiggly thing, so it looks unplain, you know. And I'm just gonna real quick add another one right here. You also, they don't always have to be straight. You can, as I said, experimenting. This is just like a general idea video to get you started. Crystals are super useful, and you can add them in different types of forms. And I'm gonna add a really big one here, and I'm gonna add it's gonna be the 6-pronged version. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna do this, and that's 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. Okay, cool. And you always want to make sure that your lines will go down to the base of whatever you're using, because if your lines just look like they're coming out of the other crystals, it looks a bit off. So you're gonna want to do a triangle here and connect these ones to the main point. And with this one, you're going to add a little more detail to the triangle ones, and you're going to just add more of those reflective ones. And I could, with the big ones, I try to keep it more synergized, so I keep all the reflections on the same side. So you'll see in a second. And yeah, and you can add different effects on the outside of it. So for instance, making it shine. You can do a lot of things, like put it on the end of a wizard staff, you know, power source. Crystals are used for a lot of things, and that's just one tutorial on how to do crystals. And literally anything can be the base. You just need to know how to like use your geometrics. And once you learn how to use these properly, you can like start shifting the positions that you draw the crystals in, and it's super fun to mess around with. So hope this was helpful to you. Please subscribe and like the video, and as always, have a good time.